For introduction, this report investigates the independent variable and dependent variables that respondents need to answer. Independent variable is about variable in an experiment or study that is deliberately changed or manipulated to observe its effect on other variables, known as dependent variable. Other than that, dependent variable is the variable in an experiment or study that is being measured or observed to see how it changes in response to the manipulation of the independent variable.
The first one is about self-assessment. Introduced by psychologist Albert Bandura, is the belief in one's ability to succeed in specific situation or tasks. This belief impacts how individuals tackle challenges, set goals, and persist through difficulties. In this context, respondents' self-efficacy is reflected in their ability to prepare nutritious meals at home. The second one is about observational learning or social learning. It's the process of acquiring new behaviors, skills, or knowledge by observing and imitating others. It does not require direct experience but relies on watching models. This concept explains how respondents can influence or be influenced by their environment to adopt healthy eating practice. And the last one for IV is about environmental factors, include the physical, social, and cultural elements that influence behavior, development, and well-being. These factors shape how individuals think, feel, and act, as well as their interaction with others and their surroundings. In this context, the availability of healthy food in the respondent's environment plays a key role in their food choice and behaviors. Out of 61 case review, 60, which is 98.4%, were deemed valid and included in the analysis, while one case, which is 1.6%, was excluded due to incomplete or incorrect information. The dataset is mostly complete and suitable for further analysis with a minimal exclusion rate. Other than that, a Combats alpha of 0.778 indicates good internal consistency, showing that the four items reliably measure the same concept. Since it exceeds the 0.7 threshold, the scale is considered trustworthy and suitable for further analysis. Beside that, the Combus alpha of 0.779 indicates good internal consistency. SE2 and SE4 are crucial for maintaining reliability, and their removal would lower the alpha significantly. SE1 could potentially improve the alpha if deleted, but its moderate correlation suggests it may not need to be removed unless maximizing reliability is a priority. SE3 has a moderate impact, and its removal causes only a slight decrease in alpha, indicating it can be kept. And the last one from me is the dataset has a mean of 15.18 with a variance of 13.20 and a standard deviation of 3.63, indicating a moderate spread in the data. Scores typically fluctuate by about 3.63 units from the mean. Further analysis could explore a relationship between items and identify any contributing to higher variability.
All, I want to explain what is descriptive statistic and correlation. The study involves four variables AHE, SE, and OL and EF. OL has the highest mean, while EF show the most consistent data. The correlation analysis reveals significant positive relationship among all variables, with the strongest being between AHE and OL, R 0.741, or relationship a significant P 0.001. The next slide is regression analysis and residual. The regression analysis indicates a significant model F29.406 P 0.001. OL contribute the most to AHE B 0.640, followed by EF, while SE is not significant. Residual analysis confirm no significant outlier, ensuring the model stability and reliability. In conclusion, OL is the key factor influencing AHE. For the hypothesis, the null hypothesis states that there is not significant relationship between the independent variable and the dependent variable, meaning all the regression coefficients are zero. The alternative hypothesis suggests that at least one independent variable has a significant relationship with the dependent variable based on the data. The F statistic 47.049 and the p-value is 0.000, which is less than the significant level of 0.05. Therefore, we reject the null hypothesis. This indicates that at least one independent variable has a significant effect on the dependent variable, and our regression model is statistically significant.
The study aimed to examine the relationship between self-efficacy, observational learning, and environmental factors with the dependent variable, which is adoption of healthy eating habit. The finding revealed that observational learning emerged as the most significant predictor, demonstrating a strong positive impact on adoption of healthy eating habit. This suggests that individuals who observe and model healthy behaviors from others are more likely to adopt similar habits. Environmental factors also show a significant but moderate influence, indicating that the availability of resource and environmental support plays an essential role in shaping healthy behavior. Conversely, self-efficacy did not exhibit a significant effect, implying that individuals' confidence in their abilities may not directly influence their adoption of healthy eating habit in this context. The regression analysis confirmed the model's statistical significance with p-value well below the threshold of 0.05, which is 0.0. This result supports the rejection of the null hypothesis, affirming that at least one of the independent variables significantly predicts changes in the dependent variable. Additionally, the reliability analysis demonstrates acceptable internal consistency for most of the measurable scales used, although certain items exhibit weakness that may require refinement or revision in future research. Furthermore, multicollinearity was detected among some predictors, suggesting potential overlap in their explanatory power, which could impact the overall model stability. In conclusion, this study underscores the critical role of observational learning and environmental factors in influencing healthy behavioral outcome, while highlighting the minimal contribution of self-efficacy in this specific model. The findings offer valuable insight for research and policymakers aiming to design effective interventions for promoting healthy habits. Future studies are recommended to address scale inconsistency, minimize multicollinearity, and expand the sample size to enhance the robustness and generalizability of the result.